a sink, a stove, and some homemade soft scrub. So stick around. And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some cleaning. I have a sink that needs a little bit of scrubbing, and we had some company last night, so my stove really needs to be cleaned. We had a little spillover and lots of food, and it's a mess. I'm going to show you my little cleaning solution. This is something that I've been using for a really long time, for quite a few years actually. It works. That's why I continue to use it, and I really think if you try it, you'd find you really love it. Okay, so I take some baking soda, about 1/4 of a cup. I actually, you can see here, I save these little cream cheese containers when we use them because they're perfect for this. So I take about 1/4 cup of baking soda. I'm not gonna measure, I might do a little bit more actually. A little bit, probably 1/3. About that much. Take a little bit of baking soda and a little Dawn dish soap. Not too much, probably a tablespoon. You can see here. I'm gonna stir that around. It's like cooking. You just wanna mix it until all your dry ingredients are a little bit wet. All in. I mash it with the back of my spoon just to make sure it gets all spread around. It'll turn kind of a lighter blue, everything will. And this is what it's going to look like. You can see it's a little bit of light blue, and it's not really, still a little dry. Okay, and then to this we are going to add some vinegar. And if you can remember back to your school days, adding vinegar to baking soda doesn't always have a great effect. It kind of spills over. So you really want to add it slowly. I just add a little bit at a time because you can see it's going to start to bubble. When it does that, you just start to stir it around. See, it's going to cap over. Just stir it around. I'm going to do this over my sink. What we're going for is soft scrub. And this is actually what I call this. It's the homemade soft scrub recipe. These are the only ingredients that I'm using. So it's, there's no harsh chemicals in this at all. And vinegar is a really good cleaner. And baking soda is a really good abrasive without being abrasive. I've not had any trouble with it scratching any of my surfaces. I use it in the bathtub, I use it in my sink, I use it on my faucets. I use it on my stove top. I use it on the door of my oven, clean the glass. In the microwave, I use it everywhere really. It works for everything. See, you can see. It's just kind of a smooth consistency. Okay, so I like to take this and just kind of spread it around. Don't need a lot. Maybe I'm going to put a little in the drain here, down there. And then I take a paper towel. I'm going to wet it just a little bit, not a lot. Just want to get it a little bit damp. And I'm just going to scrub this around. Get right in that drain good, because this baking soda is also going to get rid of any odor from anything that might have been sticking to the inside of this drain too.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Your walls 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from told you so.
This is a little caddy that I got at Walmart. It was about $6 something, $6.97 maybe. I love it. It's perfect for this little area because I don't have anything to hold my little scrubber pad. I was putting it up here, but I didn't like it being up against the wall where it was damp, and this works great. So I put my scraper and my scrub pad in there, and it's perfect for that. So that is my clean sink. So let's move on to the stove. Okay, this is our stove. I was not lying when I said this was dirty. You can see it's pretty bad. It's not like this all the time, but today it is. We had quite a few people over last night, cooked a lot of food, and it's a mess. So again, for this project, I'm going to use my soft scrub. It works really great, and I zoomed in on this so you could really see well, I hope. Okay, let's get scrubbing.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you.
So there you have it, a clean sink and a clean stove. I'll leave the recipe to the soft scrub below. I know you'll love it if you try it. And a little tip, if you have a lemon, slice it in half and use that lemon half to scrub your sink. It'll work beautifully. You'll love the lemon fresh scent, and you'll love the extra shine you get. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe below and like this video. And until next time,